Hi everyone, this is Ofer again from the Positive Thinking Center, and today we're going to be talking about how to deal with repetitive thoughts. I'll walk you through 3 problems that you may encounter while dealing with repetitive thoughts. The first problem would be that sometimes you get caught in a thought that repeats itself and you don't really know what to do with this kind of repetitive pattern. The thought doesn't lead you anywhere and you get stuck in repetitive thought. Second problem, sometimes you get up in the morning and you feel a bit depressed or a bit down and you don't really know why are you feeling so cloudy. Is it because the color of the sky? Or maybe you had a nightmare? Or maybe it's because something bothered you yesterday. The third problem would be to have an oppressive thought. Maybe something bothers you at work. Maybe you have some issues with your relationships, or you have something at work that bothers you, or it's a thought that doesn't leave you. It doesn't lead you anywhere. You are bothered what to do with a challenging moment in life. So there are a few ways to deal with those kind of repetitive thoughts. When I encounter repetitive thoughts or something that really bothers me, I do these 3 steps and they help me a lot. The first step would be to recognize the repetitive pattern of the thought. Just to understand that something is not the way that it should be, to understand that you're not thinking clearly and you got stuck in a circle of thoughts. Once you identify the repetitive pattern of your thoughts, that leads us to the second step. So second step, the only thing that you need to do is just, ask yourself whether it's something that you can do something about it or it's something that you can't do anything about it. If you can't do anything about it and it's beyond your control and it's not up to you, just say to yourself, it's not up to me, I can't do anything about it. It's life's circumstances and I have to accept it. Understand that there are some things in life that you cannot change. Just accept the way they are. But when you can do something about it, just go ahead and do it. Don't think about it too much. Don't ruminate too much. Just go ahead and do so. So step 3. Once I understand that there is nothing behind that thought, I'm repeating a mantra that really helps me a lot. I'm saying to myself, it's only brain chemistry. It's only brain chemistry. It's only brain chemistry. And then it stops. Nothing bothers me anymore. It's all in my mind. I understand that it's all in my mind. That's it. And sometimes I don't really know how to deal with that thought. I don't really know how to cope with the challenging moment that I'm facing. So a good question would be, will it really bother me in 10 years from now? Will it really matter in 10 years from now? And suddenly proportion comes into play. And I understand that the thought got out of proportion, and that's it. That's only what I was facing. And when I understand that it won't really bother me in 10 years from now, I just, stop thinking about it, and that's it. So thank you very much for tuning in to my YouTube channel. This was my tip for the day, how to deal with repetitive thinking, and I hope it made your day better. Keep sharing your thoughts and comments and feedbacks about my new YouTube channel. Thank you very much for being with me today. Have a great and positive day.